In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So this can be Binance, Coinbase, your Kraken wallet, Phantom wallet, wherever you want to send the crypto to. So to do this, first just go and open up Kraken and click on your portfolio here. Then if you're using the website, you will see the withdraw button. If you're using the app, just going to click on transfer and then also click withdraw. Now from there, click on crypto so you can find the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So at the top you will see the ones that you own, so you just select one of the cryptocurrencies you own that you want to send. For example, I'll just select my Bitcoin here. Now from there you can select a network. Now with the network, basically you just need to select the same network that you pick on the wallet that you are sending to. So I'll give you an example. If on Coinbase I go to receive crypto and then select the same cryptocurrency, which in this case is Bitcoin, then you will see here I can also pick a network. So what's essential is that you pick the exact same network. So here I can select Bitcoin, here I can also select Bitcoin, so I'll use the Bitcoin network. Now from there it will then give you your wallet address. Now what that looks like kind of depends on which wallet or exchange you are sending to, but just get your wallet address and copy it and then paste that in on the add withdrawal address, and then here withdrawal address, just paste it in right here. Now give it a nickname, so what I recommend doing is just the name of the exchange or wallet you're sending to, for example in this case Coinbase, and then the cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin. That way it's really easy for you to just recognize it. This can also be Phantom wallet, Solana, or whatever you are sending. From there click add withdrawal address. Now I already have this one, so I cannot add it again. But basically then it will send you an email, and you just want to, in that email, click on the button that you want to confirm that you want to add this withdrawal address. That way they know it's actually you. Then from there you can select it from your withdrawal list here. So I'll use my Coinbase Bitcoin for this example. And then you can choose how much you want to send. If you just want to do all of it, you can click right here on what you have available and then click review. From there you can see the fee and stuff like that. If you then just want to go and send it, click on confirm, and then it will be on its way to your address, so whichever one that is for you. So that's all you need to do to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet. It's not very difficult, but if you are sending a larger amount, I would recommend sending a small amount first and then sending the rest later, so that you can see if it arrives, which it should if you follow these exact steps. But from there, once it has arrived, you can then send the rest safely. So that's how to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.